Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Alienware P43F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Alienware P43F keeps crashing and overheating, it's likely due to a faulty CPU regulator. This can happen when the regulator fails to provide the necessary voltage to the CPU, causing instability and excessive heat. If left unchecked, it could lead to permanent damage to your device, making it crucial to address this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully position your Alienware P43F upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the back panel. Keep these screws safe as they will be needed for reassembly. Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back panel is removed, locate the CPU regulator, which is usually situated near the CPU itself on the motherboard. It will appear as a small rectangular component with pins. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To extract the faulty regulator, gently lift it from its socket, ensuring you disconnect any cables attached to it. Take note of the orientation of the regulator, as you will need to install the new one in the same position. When replacing it, align the pins carefully and press down gently until it is securely in place. Reconnect any cables you had previously disconnected. Once this is done, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU to help with heat dissipation. It's important to not use too much, as this can cause other issues. Now, reattach the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pushing down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the threads. Finally, plug in your device and power it on. Monitor the temperatures and performance to ensure everything is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean your device to avoid dust buildup, which can lead to overheating. Additionally, ensure you keep your Alienware P43F in a well-ventilated area to aid cooling. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.